It was a childhood favorite, Maria Mole, with just 3 ingredients. In a bowl, let's start by adding a packet of unflavored gelatin. Next, add 5 tablespoons of water. Let's leave it to hydrate for about 2 minutes. Once the gelatin is firm, add half a cup of very hot water. Now put the whisk in the mixer and beat until it starts to bubble. When foam forms, stop beating and add a cup and a quarter of sugar. Now let it beat until it becomes very firm. And this, folks, is the perfect consistency. Just look at how it turned out. Once that's done, we can now take it out. Let's set it aside. Grease a mold or dish with a little oil. Then sprinkle grated coconut on the bottom. I used 1 package split into 2 parts. Next, pour all our Maria Mole mixture on top. Now just spread it evenly with a spoon. On top, sprinkle the remaining grated coconut. Then chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours. After that, loosen the sides and unmold onto a board. Once done, slice it however you like. I've cut mine into squares. Check it out, folks. This dessert looks incredible. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Thanks, folks.